Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to check the remaining internal storage on Netflix application on an Android device. To check the remaining storage capacity of your Netflix account, and then you can take the following steps. Well, go ahead and open Netflix application on your device. And then here please select your profile. And then please tap My Netflix option here. After that, you can press 3 line in the top right corner. Okay, after that select App Settings. And then to check the remaining internal storage, you can see it here. For white section, it is indicates usage capacity. Well, that's the tutorial on how to check the remaining internal storage on Netflix application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.